The 5-2 scorn choice Nautical Star went from gate to wire in landing the SVL 25th anniversary trophy for Open Allowance runners over a mile. The feature event on Saturday's 11 race card at Caymanas Park. Here's Spencer Darlington.
Nautical Star under 6-time former champion jockey Omar Walker for 3-time former champion trainer Anthony Baba Nunes made his intentions known by taking the ascendancy from the get-go, with Don Quessy and the 1-2 favorite Supernatural Power in pursuit. However, the 6-year-old American-bred Derby horse was not for catching on the day and went away for an impressive victory.
Inside the final 5/16th, and it is a Nautical Star who has led them pillar to post thus far. Nautical Star coming to the head of the stretch with that lead. Don Quessy under a bustling ride. Supernatural Power running no race at all as Nautical Star continues to lead. Don Quessy, the new star, now asked to make ground on the outside. Supernatural Power and Barnaby left struggling in behind, but it is out in front. Nautical Star with a clear lead under Omar Walker. Nautical Star comes running away in the SVL 25th anniversary trophy. Nautical Star will win it. A double for Anthony Nunes. Barnaby is second. He has the exacta.
Nautical Star covered the trip in a nippy 1 minute 35 and 3/5 of a second to win by 7.5 lengths and close out a double for Nunes on the program, while inform apprentice Tajay Suku recorded a triple. Racing continues on Sunday with another 11 race card starting at 11:50 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.